Hey everybody, Privacy Smurf here from Analytics Trading with your Fear and Greed update to keep you one step ahead of the retail market. This is the final update of December 2023. Taking a look at Bitcoin, the index declined this week from 64 to 59. Daily closes also decreased during this time frame, so they're pretty much in alignment with sentiment. I'm kind of eyeballing the 40K to 41K level. If that support breaks, then it's possible that we'll have a majority bearish sentiment and the index will probably dip below the 50, the midline there. I'll also be watching for potential bullish swing opportunities if sentiment can stay above the midline while we're trading in the 40 to 41K region. Moving on to sentiment for the S&P 500. 2 weeks ago, we were in the greed zone, and in Discord and on Twitter, I was posting about potential topping. Wednesday last week had a really sharp retracement, the largest single day drop in 90 days, and prices did slowly recover since then, and this week it retraced again pretty heavily, nowhere near as bad as last week, but I'm still eyeballing the levels that we tested before around 47K for potential support and consolidation around that level. For the last couple of days, prices have gone up, but there's been decreasing trading ranges each day and lower momentum, suggesting that bulls are kind of losing strength. Looking at the US dollar index, the sentiment has remained steadily bearish. It's now down to level 34. It's not yet to the fear zone, and with it having an inverse relationship to stocks and crypto, that would kind of suggest that the risk on assets won't be declining just yet, and they have like a little bit a level of consolidation or like forming of some sort of trading range before they go into like a steeper or longer decline. So that those two won't really happen together probably until sentiment for the Dixie can get down into the fear zone. There's not a lot of predictive information that we can glean from sentiment on gold at the moment. It's unchanged from last week, sitting at 75. What I'm kind of watching is the price level at 2100. If it pushes above that level, then that will probably put gold back into the greed zone and signal the potential for another reversal. Otherwise, sentiment is most likely going to be moving in line with prices up or down. And finally, let's take a look at 30-year bonds. Sentiment is also unchanged here again at 80, even though prices did reach a new high this week. I'm kind of looking for potentially one more test of the highs just to push sentiment into the greed zone this coming week, and then that will probably cause me to look for indications of a reversal. So monitoring the sentiment on the daily time frame will be pretty important, and look for divergence between price and some sort of momentum-based oscillator like the RSI or momentum or something like that. Just a reminder, sentiment is great as an indicator, but it's really best utilized with some objective form of technical analysis to generate a signal to act on sentiment readings. If you like this analysis and want to help keep your emotions in check, pop into the Discord. I update sentiment there daily and have a bunch of extra tools and analysis that can elevate your trading game. Link is in the description, and I'll see you next week.